My hair went from this to this in few months, and I'll be sharing with you guys a recipes that has been working for me. If you're interested, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, share this video, and turn on post notifications. In a jar containing 30 ml of warm water, I added 0.6 gram of mint leaves. If you have mint powder, you can use that. Mint leaf is really great for hair and not just body. It's great for hair because it contains carotene and also antioxidants, which helps to promote hair growth and also to prevent hair fall. Because mint leaf has antimicrobial and also antifungal property, it helps to reduce head lice, dandruff, and all this itchiness that comes with dry scalp. I left the mixture to infuse for 5 hours. You can leave it for 24 hours depending on you. So this is what it looks like. Then I use the sieve to separate the mixture so that I can get a clear infused water. And this is me sieving the mixture, and this is what the water looks like. It looks clear and you can see the sign of infusion that has taken place. So I had to sieve it again because I wanted it to be completely free from the mint powder or the mint leaf that I used. I added my oil mix. This oil mix is a mixture of peppermint essential oil, olive oil, coconut oil, palm kernel oil, baobab oil, and I mixed it together. Then I added my hydrolyzed wheat protein because wheat protein is a great source of keratin to your hair. You can't be using egg because it's actually like way too large compared to hydrolyzed whey protein because it has been hydrolyzed already. I mixed it together perfectly with mixer. If you don't have mixer, you can just use anything that you have or just shake it in your spray bottle. After completing the recipe, I poured it inside my spray bottle. Your spray bottle is really important because this is like hair spray. So before you apply it on your hair, make sure you shake it very well because of the hydrolyzed whey protein that we added. I sprayed it on my scalp. While spraying, I also massaged my fingers to stimulate my scalp. I also sprayed it on my edges because my edges are like very important. I sprayed it on my hair strands, and I also sprayed it on the ends of my hair because they are like fragile, so I needed to actually benefit from the hair spray. So after spraying the hair, I left it for about 40 minutes before rinsing it off with water. That's all concerning this recipe. If you find it helpful, just like this video, share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you try this and it works for you, let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll connect with you guys in my next video. Bye.